Expressions of time. Day-related expressions. Ototoy, the day before yesterday, refers to 2 days before the current day. Kenu, yesterday, refers to the previous day. Kyu, today, refers to the current day. Ashta, tomorrow, refers to the day after tomorrow. Asate, the day after tomorrow, refers to 2 days after today. Mainichi, every day, refers to a daily occurrence. Ototoy no asa, the morning before last, refers to the morning 2 days ago. Kenu no asa, yesterday morning, refers to the morning of the previous day. Kesa, this morning, refers to the morning of the current day. Ashita no asa, tomorrow morning, refers to the morning of the following day. Asate no asa, the morning after next, refers to the morning 2 days from now. May asa, every morning, refers to something that happens every morning. Ototoy no ban, the night before last, refers to the night 2 days ago. Kenu no ban, last night, refers to the night of the previous day. Konban, tonight, refers to the night of the current day. Ashita no ban, tomorrow night, refers to the night of the following day. Asate no ban, the night after next, refers to the night 2 days from now. Maiban, every night, refers to something that happens every night. Week-related expressions. Sensenshu, the week before last, refers to 2 weeks before the current week. Senshu, last week, refers to the previous week. Konshu, this week, refers to the current week. Raishu, next week, refers to the week following the current one. Saraishu, the week after next, refers to 2 weeks from the current week. Maishu, every week, refers to something that happens weekly. Month-related expressions. Sensengetsu, the month before last, refers to 2 months before the current month. Sengetsu, last month, refers to the previous month. Kongetsu, this month, refers to the current month. Raigetsu, next month. Saraigetsu, the month after next. Maitsuki, every month. Ototoshi, the year before last, refers to 2 years before the current year. Kyonen, last year. Kotoshi, this year. Rainen, next year. Sarainen, the year after next, refers to 2 years from now. Maitushi o mainen, every year, refers to something that happens annually. Day, morning, and night. Week, month, year. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Matane!